For question number 1, you're going to be doing a written response. You're currently watching this video, but also use this presentation to learn about the term Oatan and respond to the questions here. Let's start by looking at the presentation. If we look at this presentation, you're going to be learning about the Oatan design and or the paper collage. Oatan. Oatan is a term that refers to the Japanese idea of balanced light and dark areas in a composition. Elements of dark and light are equally important and need each other to coexist. One of the most famous symbols of the Japanese Oatan, light and dark, is the yin-yang. Both exist in complete polar opposites and contrast of each other, but are equally balanced and symmetrical. Here's some other paintings of artwork that utilizes a similar concept of light background and really dark paint for the contrast in the foreground. Oatan collage. So applying what you've learned about the Oatan, you can apply this also to the art making method of collage. The paper design utilized a line of symmetry to create a composition using the relationships of positive and negative space. So here's the line of symmetry, this edge of paper here. You notice this is the same as this, except for they are opposite colors. Same as this. This is the same as this, but they're opposite colors. So the line of symmetry is the edge of the paper here. Design should have different balances, including symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. Symmetrical means equal on both sides or the same. Asymmetrical means not symmetrical or different on each side. And radial means there's more than just two sides being compared to. Radial means rotation. So when you rotate your artwork or your design, it will recreate itself. Here's some examples of Oatan collages that are asymmetrical. Notice how this left side is different than the right. The top is different from the bottom. This composition is full of representational objects and animals. It appears to be a sea theme with fish, bubbles, waves, sun, as well as other plants. This is also an example of an asymmetrical composition. Notice that the top and the bottom are different, as well as the left and right. But this does not have representational objects or imagery. It's all abstract shapes, including geometric and organic. These are examples of symmetrical Oatans. Notice how this is the same as this, and this is the same as this. Here's some also images that repeat. Notice the dividing line in half here, where this is exactly the same as this. Both of these are more representational, this one especially. And as you probably can tell, this looks like a Halloween theme with cats, bats, pumpkins, and ghosts. Here are two examples of radial designs or compositions that use radial symmetry. Notice how this circle repeats identically on each of these corners. Notice how these organic shapes repeat on each of these four corners. So again, radial means when you rotate it, it will recreate itself. Both these examples repeat themselves 4 times. Now, as you're looking at these examples here, you notice that they are geometric shaped, which means they're either sharp-edged or have a specific name. In this situation, the circle, even though it is curved, it is considered a geometric shape. And these are a little bit more organic-like shape. Even though they're sharp-edged, they're a little bit more wavy and curved. So we've learned about balance, Oatans, and dark and light. You should be able to answer in your own words these 2 questions. What does the term Oatan mean? And what does the term balance mean? Respond in a written form here.